Assalamualaikum semua. Okay, hari ni ada saya kereta satu Suzuki Swift tahun 2015 nak buka dashboard dia. Cooling kuat. Ni dashboard. Ni 1.3 1.4. Ni front view nya. जरा बट को छोड़ना Okay guys, so we need to open this 12 screws for airbags. Yeah, this one, this one. 2 screws for SRS airbag. Need to use this 12 mm key.
ये लगने के बाद
एक क्लिप होगा बस। So now meter, just open these two screws, this one and this one, and then there is two clips, this one, just push, pull, yeah, pull only. And now harness clip, this one, neat. Then need to open this one. Here. One, two, three. Three and four. So total 1, 2, 3, 4. This one, this and this cover. So from here our dashboard is almost free. This one we need to open these two screws, 12 mm. This one, 12 mm.
Ini boleh taruh. Nanti lah saya tinggal buka dari itu.
Push start.
Taruh sana lah, itu saya sana.
Just open this clip. Yeah. To open this screw for steering covers. Yeah. Okay, so here's the steering downside and this is the on the upper side. Yeah, this one. And here is the one, another screw one and other side two. Entah apa dah. Okay.
उधर भी होगा.
Yang ni sini ada satu tuh, dia ada dalam skru sana tuh. Nah nih. Tuh ada dalam skru tuh. Sana satu. Nah, tuh aja. Tuh kena buka tuh. Sini ada dua skru, satu yang ni, satu ke bawah tuh, dalam tuh. Nah, tuh. Bawah airbag tuh. So, sini ada satu klip. Lepas tu kedua skru, 3, 4 sana, 5, 6. Sini ada 7, 8, and then other side. So okay guys, so total 8 screws on the dashboard. So now our dashboard is free, so we will take it out. Yeah, must check the wiring harness before pull outside. Must check the harness, all cigarette lighter, AC controller and radio, all that. Easy. We need to open this 12mm 2 screws, this one there and one another side. So our steering is here down, so easy for us to take out the dashboard. Yeah, this one there, 12mm. Yes, and our steering is more down, so now easily we can take out our dashboard. So guys, when you remove the dashboard, you must be careful to just remove the switch for signals. Just push, there is a clip, so take out, so easy we can remove it. So no need to worry broken switch or something else. Just push the clips and the signal and light switches outside. Yeah, this one. So both just take out. So now more space, easy to remove. We almost remove it. Yeah, as you guys can see, but just need to check all harness, make sure the harness is free downside. Airbag need to open. This all speakers, wires, this is the airbags one clip. Make sure everything is free and then just take out it. Removal is look like this, and here's our dashboard. And then now we need to open this 12mm screws from here, and this one, this 12mm, and this one 12mm, this side one, side here, this 12mm too, and then front there, and another side, driver side also applies. And then we need to take out this full frame, and here is our evaporator cooling coil, this one. We need to open this one.
ऊपर वाले खोल ले, नीचे वाले की जरूरत नहीं मेरे को। दो ज्वाइंट डालेंगे।
And this one too, steering. Yeah, also 12mm. So our frame is totally free. And this one, another one. Okay, just pull the steering motor down. This is electric power steering motor. This is ESP, we call it electric control power steering, this one. Removal of this frame, we need to open the wiring harness. This is for blower controller, this one, the green color. Yeah, this is blower controller. This is for a motor, wind motor, AC wind motor, this one. And down is resistance, this white color. This is for AC resistance, this one, resistance for blower, this one. And there is another one for, that one is the more behind side there, that is for sensor, AC sensor, thermostat sensor. So now frame is almost free, as you guys can see. Just remove it back, so more space, so we need to open it. After removal of this frame, as you guys can see, frame we are and enough space to take out the box. Now we will go and throw the gas. If in case in your car got gas, so you need to make sure it's empty. If gas is there, then you need to open the meter. Yeah, and we need to open this expansion valve, this one. There is an expansion valve. Yeah, there, this one. This one is expansion valve. This one, this screw, we need to open it 10 mm, 10 mm, and then another one is there. This one, and expansion valve we need to open it, and then we only can take out. One there, 10 mm, and one is another side. This one, so two, and then expansion valve over there. That one, that expansion valve. After remove the screw, we need to remove the two piping, upper and down. This one, need to remove it. This one, we need to remove it. Yeah, I already remove it. So here is the expansion valve. No need to open. This one inside with cooling coil will come out. Need to remove this wiper cover, and the cooling coil screw is here. This one inside. One, another one is there. Two. Need to open it. And number 3 is there, over there. So total is 3. What the fuck? Ini yang ini heater pipe. So here is the heater pipe. Need to remove this both heater pipes. This one heater, this one need to open this clip, this one, and down there, and then free. Heater pipe free, gas expansion valve free, so just take it inside. Okay guys, so this is our evaporator box, coil, heater, and this one. So total at the outside 6 screws, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then other one there down. So total this need to open this all is outside, engine side. Need to open this all around this, need to open, and then this is the clips, need to push it up. This all screw is to open, other side also. And this is our evaporator coil. This is cooling coil, this is heater, this is for air conditioning, this is for heater. This one.